Hello dear friends, I'm Puya and this is the Crypto Earner channel. In this channel I introduce best crypto games, projects and airdrops. So if you're interested in making money online, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Today I have a big news for you. We are going to give away 8 whitelist spots for Lumiterra in this video. Lumiterra is one of the greatest play to earn games of 2024. This game is in the genre of MMORPG or massive multiplayer online role-playing game, and you can earn real money by completing its tasks. It's awesome! Lumiterra is currently in closed beta phase, and just players with whitelist spots can join this game. Today we have a raffle, and in collaboration with Lumiterra I'm going to give 8 whitelist spots to you, my loyal subscribers. I will talk about the conditions for participating in this raffle, but before that, let's have a quick look to Lumiterra game. I want to show you how you can download and start playing Lumiterra and explain about the game basics. Know that I will definitely create more in-depth videos about Lumiterra, but today I want to show you just the basics of the game. Okay, this is the Lumiterra website, lumiterra.net. I will put all of the necessary links for you in the description. After being whitelisted, you can click on this download link button and download the game. Note that the game is available for all platforms, Windows, iOS and Android. You can choose your desired platform and download the game. Here you can see the tutorial of the game in 12 sections. But as I said before, I don't want to just read this article. I want to share my experience about the game. So I recorded my gameplay. Let's check how we can start the game. After downloading the game, at first login, you have to click on this game start button. Here you need to connect your Ronin wallet to the game to be able to start your journey. I emphasize again, you have to connect your whitelisted wallet. After clicking on the connect button, you have to connect your wallet to the game and sign a message to link your wallet to the game. Then you can choose a name for your character and customize him. And after that, you can start playing. First, you need to complete the beginner tasks. When you first enter the game, you can start your exploration of the vast world of Lumiterra by completing a series of beginner tasks guided by various NPCs. Let's check these tasks quickly. First, you need to talk with Gunner, the first NPC or non-playable character you see in this game. Then you have to start the fresh start task. He talks about monsters and their characteristics. Then he asks you to kill a pumpkin bat for him. You have to accept his request and start this task. Then you can simply follow the target point on the map and kill a pumpkin bat. After that, Gunner will give you some rewards including a wooden sword. Gunner will then ask you to pass the intelligence on to Nash. Again, you can simply follow the target point on the map and go to Nash. Before that, let me show you how you can equip your sword. By pressing the B button, you can open your backpack. Here you can click on your sword and equip it. Okay, let's go to Nash. Here you have to share your intelligence with Nash, and after that you will get some rewards again. Then Nash will explain the talent tree. At the talent tree you can upgrade your skills. There are 3 main sections here: combat, gathering and farming. You can upgrade your skills in each of these categories. To complete this task, you need to unlock the trampling skill. After that, again, you will get some rewards from Nash. Then you have to go to Silas. He will teach you the gathering skill. First, you have to complete the learn to gather task. To complete this task, you need to collect 1 rotting leaves, 1 wood, and 1 broken stone. In this step, let me tell you how you can put your tools on the shortcut bar so you can use them faster. You can simply open your backpack by pressing B button again, and here you can choose your desired tool. Click on the quick button and add it to your desired number. Then you can choose numbers 1 to 6 and use your desired tool or item. Okay, let's complete the Learn to Gather task. To do this, you can simply go to this area and use your wooden axe, wooden pickaxe, and stone sickle to gather items. Then you have to go to Silas again and get your rewards. After that, Silas will teach you how to craft items. You need to complete his orders. And after that, he will teach you how you can prepare an energy slime. At this step, let me explain about energy system in Lumiterra. In Lumiterra, energy is an extremely important attribute. Players need to consume energy to gain experience and obtain corresponding resource items through combat, gathering, and farming. Each kill, gather, planting, and ranching harvest consumes 1 point of energy. If your energy is at 0, you will not gain experience and receive items from these activities in the game. But how to gain more energy? You can use energy restoration potions. You need energy slime and empty bottles to craft energy restoration potions. Note that different talent trees such as combat, farming, and gathering require different materials for their energy solution recipes, but they function the same. And here you can see the answer of 2 important questions about energy system. First, how to obtain empty bottles for making energy potions. Completing daily tasks may reward you with empty bottles, and also challenging PvE dungeons may give you a chance to obtain empty bottles. And the second question is, how is energy restored? Method 1, the game system will automatically recover energy points daily, and method 2, as I said before, use an energy potion of any level. Okay, after completing Silas quests, you have to go to Gunner on the top of the hills, and he will tell you to go to the town. By following the target point on the map, you can reach the town. Then you can talk with Husky, and he wants you to complete the daily challenge. Okay, that was everything about Lumiterra basics. After these tasks, you are free to do any task you want, and even you can do token tasks. Here you can see your different tasks. You have random task and token tasks here. Note that sometimes you can also get tokens by completing random tasks. Let's complete a combat task as an example. I have to kill 3 metal moths to complete this task. Here on the beach near the main town, I can see the metal moths and kill them. I did it and got my rewards. Okay guys, I will talk more about other parts of Lumiterra in my next videos. Today I just want to show you how you can start this game and explain the game basics. Now let me tell you how you can participate in today's whitelist raffle. First, you have to follow Lumiterra on Twitter and join Lumiterra's official Discord community. You can see the links of their Twitter and Discord on their website. But I will also put the links for you in the description. After that, if you want a whitelist spot, just write a comment in this format below this video. Lumiterra spacebar your name. For example, Lumiterra John or Lumiterra David. The deadline for this raffle is August 9th, 9 AM UTC. So you have less than 1 day. Tomorrow I will use a random comment picker tool to select the winners. Note that the winner has to write a comment with the same YouTube account in the comment section of my next video. Then I will ask him or her to give me a Ronin wallet address, and after 48 hours he or she can play the Lumiterra closed beta. Note that sometimes you can't copy your wallet address in the comment section because YouTube thinks it's spam. In this case, I want you to give me a Telegram ID and I will contact you. And finally, note that I just want a Ronin wallet address from you and nothing more. Be careful, dear friends. There are a lot of scammers, and never share your important information with anyone. Okay guys, that was everything about Lumiterra basics and raffle. I hope this video was useful for you. If you're interested in making money from crypto games projects and airdrops, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if this video was useful for you, please like it. You can earn money from these two games too, so don't miss them. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.